Aging, what a frightening business that is. No one likes to think about that. Can we do something about it? Well, science is saying, yeah, maybe. Some fascinating experiments done with mice. As we get older, our cells age, and some of them become what are known as senescent cells. They no longer divide, but they do release compounds that are inflammatory and that can damage tissues. Well, in a very interesting experiment, scientists injected young mice with senescent cells, and they got old. They became slower, they reacted more slowly to everything. And then they injected them with drugs, one of them derived from apple peel, the other one a pharmaceutical substance. And it turned out that after injecting it, those mice regained their youthful appearance. Now, granted, this is only with mice, and as we say, mice are not men or women. Is there anything that we can do that is more applicable to us? Well, maybe there is. It's a calorie-restricted diet. Science has shown over and over again, from rodents to dogs to monkeys, that if they are put on a calorie-restricted diet, they age more slowly. What does that mean, a calorie-restricted diet? Well, it may not be very appealing because it means eating less than the 2,000 calories that we normally eat a day. Of course, it doesn't mean that you just eat fewer potato chips or hot dogs. It has to be a balanced diet. And it's possible to do that. Now, I wish that we had long-term experiments with humans. We don't have that, but it is an interesting possibility that just cutting down on food is going to increase our longevity. Unfortunately, it's not a good idea to be hungry all the time. And if it's going to make you live longer, question comes up, is it worthwhile living longer if you're going to miss some of the good things in life? We're going to take a scientific look at that this week. Our annual Chartier Public Science Symposium entitled Longing for Longevity. And we have some great speakers. Dr. David Sinclair from Harvard is going to address whether or not there are any supplements we can take to reduce the aging process. Kelly Dobos will look at cosmetics. What can we put on our skin to perhaps retard aging? And we will also have the legendary Dr. Ruth discuss whether or not there is sex after 50. You're all invited. It takes place on Tuesday and Wednesday, 7 o'clock at the Centre Montreal, corner of Sherbrooke and Mansfield. It is absolutely free. Everyone is invited. We're going to have a great time. And in the meantime, I will try to cut back on the calories in my diet.